and it 1. So underneath your do now, you have a lot of blank space. So I want you, if you need to, I'm going to show you this problem on the board, and I want you to try to solve it. Just like yesterday, when you think you have the solution, I want you to stand up. Okay, Kaya, read this problem to us, please.
Lake Math Magic has a maximum of depth of negative 70 feet. Lake Rainbows and Ponies has a maximum depth of negative 100 feet. How much deeper is Lake Rainbows and Ponies? Draw pictures to help.
So guys, whenever you think you have the solution, stand up. Now this is a hard problem, so if you get it wrong, it's fine. You just need to try. So we have one lake that goes 70 feet deep. We have another lake that goes 100 feet deep. So how much deeper is Lake Rainbows and Ponies than Lake Math Magic? When you think you know, stand up. Okay, so I'm going to come around to the people who are standing. If you're sitting, still work, still work.
What do you think it is, Madison? What do you think it is? You're both close, but sit back down. You're both close, but sit back down.
If you, and also, I like how Michaela's trying
You're
to
close, sit
picture.
back down. You're close, sit back down.
Wait, okay.
Ooh. No, but that's a good thing.
Stay standing.
Yes.
Okay, guys, go ahead and sit down, please. Okay.
You're close, not quite.
So, we have a lot of people who are very close. So, guys, let's go over this. So, lake, here's the little lake, right? Let's say Lake Math Magic goes down how much, guys? 70 feet. Okay, so this is 70 feet. Lake Rainbows and Ponies goes down how many feet, guys? 100. Okay. So, yeah.
No, it's not.
So, what is the problem actually asking you to find? What part of the picture is the problem actually asking you to find, Layla?
How much deeper is Lake Rainbow and Ponies?
Yeah, so this lake only goes down this much, right? And then this lake goes down this much. My difference would be here, this space. So tonight, what did you say it was?
Negative 30 feet.
Yeah, so this would be, if we drew this here, this would be negative 30. But because it's a difference, it's just going to be, what did you say, Princeton? 30. So the answer would be 30 feet.
Oh, it's the same
Yeah.
because it's a green.
Yeah, exactly.
I told you.
You guys have got it.
Okay, guys, so what you actually just did was you subtracted integers. Using a picture, just using your minds. So you can do what we do today without a problem. It's just making sure you focus and follow the steps. So what we're going to do now is go to the next page of our notes.
This one?
Yes, tonight. Go to the next slide, please. Okay, so I have some rules for today to make us successful. Because this is something that can be confusing or it can be really easy if we focus. Asia, could you please read us the instructions?
Counters. I model one and you don't touch the counters. We do other examples and we are touching the counters together.
So guys, when I say go, one person, so you have to communicate, one person from your partner group is going to go get the counters for you guys. But when I do the first example, you are not touching what?
The
counters. But then for every other example, you are. Okay. So in 15 seconds, one person go over there and get the counters. Thank you. Go. 15, 14, 13, 12. Thank you so much. This is working well so far. 11. Uh-oh. 10. 9. You're just getting the box, guys. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. And then tonight I'm going to share with you. 2. Awesome. There's a clue right there. 1 and 0. Oh, we're waiting on 1.
Yeah, it's okay.
I can't move on unless everybody's focused, because everyone needs to know this. Okay, so guys, you know that song of the day? Think about that. But if I have one positive and one negative, that was called a zero pair. Very good. So when we subtract integers, we're going to need to use zero pairs in order to take away what we need to take away. And let's just label, guys. So today, again, if it's positive, we're going to use yellow. And if it's negative, we're going to use blue. So just give me a thumbs up when that's down. Okay, awesome. Okay, guys. So we're going to first do our first subtraction problem You might know what this is, but I'm going to show you how to do it with counters. Remember, for the first example, what are we not touching, Anthony, for the first example?
Counters.
Anthony?
Counters.
Counters, thank you. Okay, guys, so we are going to do 2 minus 3. And you can write that down. So,